Okay guys, we're now here at Zark's SM San Pedro. Right? Sabi ko sa inyo, medyo afford namin yung ganitong meals ngayon. So, sasamantanin namin. And we're going to try this branch's own brand of service, of course, with food. And here you have it, folks. Ito ang kakainin namin ng sister ko. Ito naman yun sa mother ko. Okay. This is the Zarkada Box B. Yung cheesy mushroom. Ito, OG dog. Sigurado, cases to. And baked mac and cheese. And ang kinapipitagang onion ring sila. So, let's dig in! As you see, ubos na namin ni sis yung meal namin. At yung kay Ermat, yun, tumba, pati plato. So that means only one thing. Masarap pa rin sa Zark's. Oo, ating yan. So, well, yung very friendly ang mga staff dito, even the cooks, right? They're willing to share a conversation with me. And of course, balikan natin yung food. After siguro 10 years of at least 10 years of existence, hindi pa na nagbabago yung sizes ng mga burgers nila. Malalaki pa rin. Definite, guaranteed meal, busog ka. So ano ang final judgment natin for Zark's SM San Pedro? Kailangan pa pag-isipan yan. Total, hawak ko cellphone ko eh. Kaya ito. Alright?